Hello friends, welcome to the Roll Trading Lab, market and stock idea for the coming week. First, trade like a pro. This is a Nifty weekly chart. On Friday, Nifty closed at 17,409. Last week, Nifty rise 567 points. Well, what can we do in the coming week? Now we can find resistance level for this week is 176052 to 17685, and support level for this week is 17,015. Now what action can be taken? If you have a long position in Nifty ready to take profit around 17,600 to 650 levels. Stock idea for the next week. Number one stock is Dushari Tea and Industries Limited. All label are for the education purpose only. And the stop loss for this stock is 235 and entry level is 250 to 260 and target is 300 plus. Next stock is Bodal Chemicals Limited. The stop loss for this stock is 106. Entry level is 115 to 117 and target is 135. Next stock is SKM Ag Products. Stop loss for this stock is 63. Entry level is 70 rupees to 73 and target is 90. All level are for the education purpose. The stock idea for 1 week to 1 month. Next stock is Tex Macro Rail. Again, stop loss is 27. Entry level is 30 rupees to 33 and target is 41. Well, our wealth creation mantra is earn 5% monthly and invest 30% profit in long term in ETF Index Funds. Well, Roll Trading Lab provide trainings and mentoring in stock market. Learn how to generate monthly income from stock market. Only qualification required, that is passion to learn and earn only. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Goodbye. Thanks a lot. Thank you.